Hello, my friends. We are just wrapping up the unit of whales with lungs, whales with legs. Both are very, very interesting questions. And so let's get into that summary, the storyboard. Okay, so it all started out 3.5 billion years ago when the first life on Earth was bacteria. Okay. And I think I'm going to zoom in so you can see my beautiful drawings. Okay. After this, we got eyes and a brain, and that was about 520 million years ago. So that's that's a huge chunk of time that has gone by. And we were mitochondria. Okay. After this, we were chased out of the water. We were Ichthyostega. That was about 400 million years ago. And the Ichthyostega was really super awesome because it had lungs and gills. That's really cool. After this, we were Cassinaria. This was the first mammal ancestor to live 100% on land. And we laid eggs and we had sexual reproduction, and that was 340 million years ago. Next, we get the Megazostrodon. I looked at some research and I could not find the Batodon in the research that I did. So the Megazostrodon is the first mammal that I was able to find, and that mammal has fur and hair, live birth, milk. They're warm-blooded. They have backbone and lungs. And that's 66 million years ago. And of course, the dinosaurs helped shape this animal. Okay, we had to run and hide and get rid of them. So this is where the humans and the whales diverge. Okay. After we have the Megazostrodon, the human line got different mutations than this line. Okay, we're splitting up now. Okay, we both share all of these mammal characteristics, but now we're splitting up. And now for the whale evolution, this becomes Pakicetus. Okay, so Pakicetus is more kind of like a wolf type animal, and he's super hungry. And he goes into the water about 50 million years ago, and he's like, ooh, look at these fish. They're so yummy. I think I'll have some. But he wasn't a very good swimmer. No, he was not. Okay. And so eventually his body starts changing. That's a good 10 million years before we get Durodon. And this is the whale with legs. Of course, Pakicetus has legs, and he also has lungs. Lungs have evolved with the Megazostrodon. So right now he has lungs and legs. Here we have a whale with legs and has lungs. And today we have our traditional whale. This is a mammal that lives in the ocean. Okay, he went back into the ocean because he's a hungry guy. Okay, food is a big motivator for lots of things. He still has his little leg bones, and he has lungs, and he has to come up and breathe out of his blowhole. Okay, he does not have gills. He cannot extract oxygen from that water. So he had legs because he used to be a land mammal, and he has lungs because he used to be a land mammal. I think both of those are just fabulous, amazing things. So I hope you have a good day. Be good people, make good choices.